Hey guys, it's Anthony with the Rag Company, and today I'm here with Fraser from Wowo's Detailing. What's going on, dude?
Yeah, I'm just excited to be here, man.
Me too. So today we're here to talk about Wowo's Crystal Sealant. So this is a polymer sealant that I think you guys are really gonna dig. I think that it's a little bit more complex than your typical everyday sealant, and Fraser can touch up a little bit more about that.
Yeah, so this is our third revision of the product now since we launched it, and it's by far the best one that we've done. The application is so much easier, and the durability has increased tenfold. It's really an amazing product. So it's full of really nice polymer resins. It's got some SiO2 resins in there, and a cross-linking polysiloxane. So basically that creates a mesh over your paintwork.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay. So it kind of cross-links into the clear coat, right?
Yeah, basically it sits in between your regular spray-on sealants and your coatings. It's that halfway house for the enthusiast or the professional.
Agreed. So it's pretty much a spray-on, wipe-off product, but if you want to go crazy with a foam applicator, you definitely can. Now, one thing about this is you can use it on everything on the exterior of a vehicle.
Exactly,
everything from your glass, your trim, your paint, your headlights, you name it, you can do it.
Yeah, right down to the wheels. It's really good as a wheel sealant.
Oh, makes sense too. So, all right guys, if you guys like this and you guys want to check out more about Crystal Sealant and other Wowo's detailing products, you can head to theragcompany.com. As always, if you guys like this video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more and stay tuned for more videos right here at The Rag Company.